all of you. Today we had this particular meeting regarding the smart city issue. You know that the government of India has a plan to make around 100 cities in the nation to make a smart city. And in that process, there is a particular procedure to be followed by the commissioners of respective cities. And in that context, we have the Commissioner Kakinada City. He is available today with us. He has requested this particular meeting. So all the faculty, staff, students, there is a definite support that we have to do for our city to make a smart city. So the exact definition for a smart city probably varies from person to person. There is no correct definition for the smart city. In fact, the government of India has also not prescribed a particular procedures or guidelines to make a particular city into a smart city. So that means a smart city can have its own vision or mission or idea, or because it varies from the local conditions also. Certain guidelines. In effect, the smart city should provide a decent way of living for its particular citizens. Maybe in respect to transportation, in respect to education, in respect to water supply, power supply, but all these basic amenities. But at the same time, the citizen of the city also has got certain role to play. So without any delay, I just request the Commissioner to speak on this occasion. Then we have a PowerPoint presentation by the municipal engineer, and he will give certain information that is to be followed by all of us, the students and faculty of this particular town. I invite the Commissioner to give his presentation. Thank you.
Thank you. Good evening, everyone. I am Ali Basha, recently taken over as the Commissioner of this municipal corporation. I am very glad to be here and to sit with you to frame and also prepare a smart city proposal. In this context, I would like to say a few words. As far as told us, there is no clear definition of smart city. Smart city means what people actually vision their city to be transformed into a smart city. It is the people's ideas. It is their priorities that will be taken care in formulating smart city proposal. Taken up series of meetings with the senior citizens and political functionaries in the city at city level discussions. Also, we have consulted slum level federations, ward level committee meetings, and then Janbhoomi committees, and then different working groups. Like that, we are at the process of consulting various stakeholders in the city. We have also initiated online consultations also as this process, sessions through mails, Smart Kakinada, Smart City Kakinada ready out. Smart City Kakinada ready out. In this context, Government of India has launched a website, mygov.in, for wider consultations. This will be taken as a parameter for assessing the preparedness of smart city proposal in terms of wider consultations. In this context, we have been visiting various engineering colleges to seek their support to participate in essay writing competition in mygov.in. My sincere request would be to all of you to participate in this essay writing competition. Just I know you all have mail IDs and you have Facebook accounts and also Twitter accounts. I request you to spare a half an hour of time and jot down for 500 words what would be priorities for the city and what would make the Kakinada a smart city. These 500 words just jot down for 10 minutes and then you enter into mygov.in and then register your name. Then one time password will come to you to your mail. Just log into it and then you write 500 words about Kakinada city. This also because you are a stream of the present generation. You have a lot of ideas, innovative thinking, and then thought process. All this will be filtered and then city level, whatever suggestions you have made, that will be incorporated to the smart city proposals. 20 cities will be shortlisted depending upon the proposals what to make in smart city proposal. This smart city proposal should be wider consultative approach and should have technology driven. Smart solutions should be part of it, and people at large should benefit in terms of employment generation, livability, and various parameters. Government of India has government given guidance. So I request you, sincerely request you to participate in the essay writing competition and also go to the Facebook and also give as more likes as possible. Thank you.
Good evening, Principal Sir and Commissioner Garu and other IPA children and faculty members. Good evening. I am Suryanarayana, Executive Engineer, Municipal Corporation, Kakinada. మీకు అందరికీ తెలుసు కాకినాడ స్మార్ట్ సిటీగా ఫస్ట్ రౌండ్లోంచి మనం సెలెక్ట్ కాబట్టి సెకండ్ రౌండ్లో కంపీట్ చేయబోతున్నాం. అంటే వీఆర్ ఫైటింగ్ ఫర్ టు బీ ఇన్ టాప్ 20. టాప్ 20లో ఉండడానికి వీఆర్ participating in the challenge. First point. Next ఏంటంటే ఎర్లియర్గా స్కీమ్స్ ఎట్లా ఉన్నాయంటే ఒక గవర్నమెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా కానీ స్టేట్ గవర్నమెంట్ కానీ ఒక సెక్టార్ అనేది వాట్సాప్ ఇన్ఫ్రాస్ట్రక్చర్ సెక్టార్, దట్ ఈస్ వాటర్ సప్లై ఆర్ అండర్ గ్రౌండ్ డ్రైనేజ్ ఆర్ ఎనీ సెక్టర్, రోడ్ డెవలప్మెంట్ ఆర్ డ్రైనేజ్ డెవలప్మెంట్ ఎట్సెట్రా. దిస్ ఈస్ నాట్ ది కేస్ హియర్. అంటే ప్రజలకు ఎంతో వరకు ఉపయోగపడుతుంది అనేది అందులో అంటే 90% ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. బట్ ది ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ ఫ్రమ్ పబ్లిక్ ఈస్ నాట్ అట్ ఆల్ బీయింగ్ కన్సిడర్డ్ ఇన్ ది ఎర్లియర్ ప్రపోజల్. దట్ యాజ్ a citizen of Kakinada, we are facing certain problems in Kakinada, some lack of some infrastructure facilities. What are your priorities? మీ ప్రయారిటీస్ ఏమిటి? ఒకళ్ళు మేము అడుగుతున్నప్పుడు డిఫరెంట్ పీపుల్ ఆర్ డిఫరెంట్ సిటిజన్స్ అండ్ డిఫరెంట్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఆర్ గివింగ్ దేర్ డిఫరెంట్ ఒపీనియన్స్. యాజ్ ఎ సిటిజన్ ఏంటంటే వీఆర్ 100 towns ఉన్నాయి మనకి స్మార్ట్ సిటీస్ అక్రాస్ ది ఇండియా. దట్ ఈస్ అందరూ కూడా చాలా బలవంతులు. వీఆర్ కంపీటింగ్ విత్ highly intellectuals of Gujarat state, Punjab, Tamil Nadu and Delhi population wise and Mumbai, Pune. కాదు, మనం తక్కువ కాదు. You are all intellectuals. You are the cream of the society. You know better. So we request humbly spare 10 to 15 minutes for our term. Can you do it or not? You say, I think the reply is very poor. Yes, yes. We have action. Okay? And you have to do very simple thing. That is essay competition for children, school children, and essay competition for other category. So you are all eligible. That is your parents, your sisters, your brothers, everybody, your friends. That is proceed further. So this is online demonstration. This is, and you can see the mygov.in. That is the central government website. You have to open the website and it is visible like this. In this you have to register. See the register word, this one is there, and register, you have to enter register. Please enter, and one of you please come, because we are doing the live demo. Somebody who is having, please come. With initials and email ID. Password. It will be mailed to you, your email. He is opening his mail. It is coming, if it net is speed, it is coming within 1 second or 2 seconds. Rule 4 8s and 4 9. It is the password sent by the Government of India website. It has to copy it there and click create new account. బ్లూలో హైలైట్ చేసి ఉంటుంది, బ్లూ కలర్లో అది it should have some unique number. I think you might be knowing it should 8 characteristics having capital letters, small letters, special asterisks and numbers. So you can choose password as your wish and go to home page. Here 2 things we have to do. One is do, and then you have to participate in essay competition in central government website and smart cities which was selected in first place. So again you search for Kakinada, right? Kakinada there, and Kakinada వచ్చింది. అక్కడ it is representing important and ancient features of Kakinada town. So here see details is there. Here what is the topics that is you have to be written in essay, and what is the limit of the words is coming, though it is 500, it is limiting the when you type it is coming around 500 letters only. So you attach, see add image is there. So as a PDF document you can add your essay, and then which is connected with the smart city. The ideas will come from what are the problems that are being Deputy Commissioner గారు వస్తున్నారు. Please. What are the problems that are being faced by a citizen of Kakinada while you during your stay at Kakinada? I think you might be coming some different places, and some of you might be locals, and some of you from the different areas. So, if you do, we have put 3 poles. One is infrastructure pole. First is infrastructure and city development. Again, you have to